Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video we'll talk about align-item center and justify content space between or space around. And before I talk about the difference between the two, I want to talk about my HTML. So you see I have a div here and I have given it the class container, and inside of that one, that class, instead of that div, sorry, we have three other divs. So you see I have three other divs here, and basically they have the same class names, because we will be able to apply the styling to all three of them at once. And I named it container because it contains all of my other divs. So let's talk about CSS now. So you see for my CSS, I'm selecting that container by typing it .container, and we open two curly braces, and I have some styling here, and I have the display flex. So you have to make sure that you add the display flex to the container. And after that, you see we have the align item center. So let's use that property. So I'm going to paste it here. So this is, so if you add align-item center, basically it will move your items from the top to the middle. So you see this is the middle of axis, and it's in the middle of our container now perfectly. So it moves it to the center vertically. All right, so this is the vertical axis, and you see it moves it down to the middle. And now let's talk about justify-content space around. So I'm going to apply that. You see, if I add justify-content colon space around, so you'll see that right here I have, so let me zoom out. So you see that I have all of my items, they are aligned next to each other, horizontally. So you horizontally move elements to the center, but you see there is some space around. So space around means just add some space around the first one and the second one and the third one. So if you don't want that, you can say space. So you can type in justify-content space dash around. So you are using space around now, and this is how it looks. So if we say space dash between, you'll notice that this one moves number one, keeps the first item to the left, and moves the one in the middle perfectly here in the middle, and the third one to the right side. So with this, basically what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to create a navigation bar or something like that. So if I was to keep my logo to the left, you could use this property, which is justify-content space between. So this way, you see we have you could probably use a logo here in number one div, and for number three we would use some links just to add a horizontal link, some horizontal navigation bar actually. So you could use this one, and there are a couple of them. If you say justify-content, and then you can say colon, and you see if you are using VS Code like I do here, you see that we have all of other options. So you can say and it will basically move my items all the way to the right side. And let's just cover one more maybe. So I can say flex start, flex dash start. This will basically move it to the left side. All right, you can say flex dash end. You can, if you want to apply it to the right side, you can say flex dash end, and it will move everything to the right side. And this is a basic introduction to justify dash content, flex and or space between or space around. And also we talked about aligning items center. So you see, if I can say align items, I can say flex start, it will move it to the end. So did I, oh, I said flex end. So that's why you see it's at the end of the screen. So I can either play with align items or justify dash content. So usually, I just move this one to center. So I say align dash items center. And when I do that, basically what it does is it moves everything to the center vertically. But you see this, the justify dash content, if you say center, it will basically move everything center for you. All right. So basically now what I'm using is align dash item center and justify dash content center. So if you use this, everything will be in the middle of your div. All right. So this is the center point of our div. And now you see it's perfect and it's there. All right. So I hope that you understand the difference between align dash item center and justify dash content center or space around. So with justify dash content, you see you have more options. So if I come here and if I say baseline basically default. So if I say center, it will be center, and if I say end, it will go to the end. Or right is the same thing. You can use right. Basically it will do the same thing. Space round, space evenly. Space evenly is a little bit like space around. So space around. Yeah, it's like space around, but space evenly works too. So if you want to give them, the like equal space to all of them, you can use this property, which is space dash evenly. So I think I have talked a lot today, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And of course I have another video about how to create a navigation bar with a logo and some links. So I'll put the link in the description of my video. You can watch that video too, because that might be something that you might be looking for. And I think I liked that video, and a lot of people did like it. So I will see you all in the next videos, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and now tell me stop talking. All right, see you later.